AliDropship is one of the most popular dropshipping platforms, but before you make your decision to buy, there are some crucial things you need to know. In this video, we'll walk you through 12 important points about AliDropship that you should consider before making an investment, especially when compared to other dropshipping software. The first thing to keep in mind is that AliDropship is a one-time payment solution. Unlike some competitors that require ongoing monthly fees, with AliDropship, you pay once and you're good to go. This can save you money in the long run, especially if you plan to build your store over time. However, it does require an upfront investment, so it's essential to consider your budget. Next thing, AliDropship is highly focused on integration with AliExpress. While this is great for finding products, it can also be limiting if you want to branch out into other suppliers. Unlike platforms like Shopify, which offer a wider range of integrations, AliDropship puts a strong emphasis on AliExpress, which means you may face challenges if you want to diversify your suppliers. The third thing to consider is the design and customization options. AliDropship offers a variety of themes, but it may not be as flexible or intuitive as other platforms like Shopify. If you want complete creative freedom, you might feel limited by the customization options. The fourth thing, AliDropship is relatively beginner-friendly, but it still requires some technical know-how. If you're not tech-savvy, you may find the setup process challenging, especially when compared to the more streamlined options from platforms like Oberlo or Shopify's app marketplace. The fifth thing is automation. AliDropship offers useful automation features for things like order fulfillment, inventory management, and price updates. However, while the automation is good, it's not as advanced as what you might find on platforms like Shopify with additional apps or systems like WooCommerce. The sixth thing to think about is the lack of built-in marketing tools. While AliDropship has some marketing features like email automation and social media tools, it doesn't offer the same comprehensive marketing suite that Shopify does with its extensive app ecosystem. So if you're looking for advanced marketing capabilities, you may need to rely on third-party tools. Next thing, AliDropship comes with a lifetime license, meaning you won't have to worry about subscription renewals. However, this does mean you might miss out on the regular updates and support that subscription-based services provide. Competitors with monthly fees often include regular upgrades and enhanced customer support. The eighth thing to note is that the customer support for AliDropship can be hit or miss. Some users have reported great experiences, while others have found the response time to be slow. Unlike some competitors with large support teams, you may find AliDropship's support a bit more limited. The ninth thing is the plugin's compatibility with WordPress. If you're already using WordPress for your website, AliDropship is a seamless solution, but if you're not familiar with WordPress, you might find the learning curve steep compared to other platforms that offer more user-friendly interfaces. The 10th thing to consider is product sourcing. While AliExpress offers an enormous selection, there are quality concerns with some products, and AliDropship doesn't provide as much oversight as some other platforms, such as Shopify with its vetted suppliers. Next thing is pricing transparency. With AliDropship, you're paying a flat fee for the plugin, but it's important to be aware of additional costs. You'll still need to pay for web hosting, a domain name, and other third-party tools that you might use to enhance your store. Compare that to other services like Shopify, which includes hosting in its monthly fee, so it's all bundled together. The 12th thing to keep in mind is the community and resources. While AliDropship does have a community of users and offers some resources, it's not as robust as Shopify's network, which has extensive tutorials, forums, and a large user base to rely on for advice. Now, after weighing all these points, AliDropship is a solid option for many dropshippers, especially if you're looking for a one-time payment solution and you're focused on AliExpress. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive, flexible solution with better marketing tools, ease of use, and a larger community, you might want to explore alternatives. Check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free to see if it's the right fit for your dropshipping business.